Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have here SolarCity, the collapse. Shares are down almost 26%. This overnight. Strong sell since $92. You have the article on the website and blog of the company, including the case study. Ahead of earnings, we pretty much like the case of Yelp a few months ago. I recommended to double the size of the long-term short position in SolarCity, and obviously saying that SolarCity it was very similar to Yelp, and therefore you should not be surprised that today you have a meltdown on shares. And therefore congratulations, you had an article ahead of earnings for live market premium subscribers, naming, and the name of the article is precisely the next Yelp stock to crash. And if you read the article, you understand why SolarCity had to crash. And therefore, while Wall Street ahead of earnings, they were upgrading shares to the range $75 to $95, and you have an article ahead of earnings by Morgan Stanley saying that shares they were worth $95. I said that this case of SolarCity to be, again I repeat, very similar to Yelp, where you had fraud, share price manipulation, and when you have fraud and share price manipulation, the end result is always the same, the crash. And so as you had in Twitter, as you had the Ponzi scheme, stock ratings, as you had in Yelp, Apple Group, Yelp, and so many more that we discussed in the service. So you have also in SolarCity. So record profits 2015, zero risk, as I've been saying here, and you had to double the size of your short position ahead of earnings, and a very large short position, as I explained, and is this very well described in the article, I repeat, available ahead of earnings. Therefore, the only comments that we have to make at this point is you are in full control of your entire portfolio and continue managing efficiently your trailing stocks. We have never been here for day trading or short-term trading. I've been repeating this thousands of times. The objective is always maximum profit, and maximum profit is obtained by doubling and tripling and quadrupling existing positions and maintaining those positions all the way down to prices that then we consider, for example, to reduce the size of the short position or even to close the size of the short position, but never to buy on Wall Street upgrades as they wanted to. And in fact, they were deceiving investors worldwide. And if you call Morgan Stanley, probably today they will say that their customers are making a lot of money buying or investing in SolarCity ahead of earnings, what will be certainly a miracle. But these Wall Street firms, they claim to be making miracles. So that is their concern or their customers' concern. It is not our concern. Our concern are the facts, and the facts is that the stock or shares are down 26% overnight, and so strong sell junk rating since $92 announced here at stockmarketlive.tv directly from Dubai.